you are running with cough and cold, fever, or any other disease that happened all of the sudden during the examination days, what are the two things that you must do to get good marks in your exam? The first important thing is don't leave things for the last D-Day. So make sure that you are regularly studying, regularly preparing, and that's a good way to be on your confidence level, to be very high on your confidence level, that despite of your illness you are able to qualify the exam and you would be able to prepare and get good marks in your examination. So one rule of thumb is don't leave things for the last moment. Keep preparing while you are continuing your studies. So be it the 6 months, be it the 1 year, 10 year, you are studying, make sure you have been consistent there. The second important thing is usually when we are sick, we lose our confidence, we develop negativity. So just stay out of that negative attitude and make sure that you have confidence in yourself to appear for your examination, because examination are held only once a year, so you don't have ample of time or ample of manipulations there. The only thing is be confident and appear for the examination, and your confidence would crop in automatically if you have been studying regularly, sincerely over the year. So make sure these are the two things that you follow, and even believe that that does not happen with you towards your exam, but in case there are some uncertain conditions, you are still able to perform on your fullest. Thanks.